按一下就好，它接。你看，跟我上次，你看上次的
一样的影片。
我就把风关起来。
If you spin the chamber enough times, you're gonna catch a bullet.
It's just easy that way.
This is an extraction.
So who are the players?
Biggest drug lord in India versus biggest drug lord in Bangladesh.
Some mythic shit, huh?
It's a kidnapping. Drug lord's son. Clock's running at 16 hours. Proof of life as of 6 hours ago.
You want to survive, you do exactly as I say.
Who are you?
Name?
Obi.
Move fast. Stand up.
Something's wrong. The city's on lockdown. The job is fucked, Tyler.
Just find my money. That kid is a walking corpse. And there's no way to protect him.
You have a family?
Yeah, son. You died a few years ago. The best thing you could do for that kid would be to put a bullet in his brain.
We can send a chopper and get you out. But you gotta leave the kid behind.
Are you gonna leave me in the street?
I'll get you home. Grab all of my vest and hang on as tight as you can. My kid, you trust me?
No.
Good.
Are you always discreet?
I'm not brave.
Rescue people.
Sometimes.